Back again to another video, guys. Today I will show you how to change your name on Spark Driver. So many people have been asking me how to change my names on Spark Driver, and this is the video you've been looking for. In this video I will show you 3 ways you can do that. First way I'm going to show you is not working right now. For some reason, I don't know what's happened. I've been checking for the past 3 days and it's still not working. So I'm still going to show you in case the problem fixed in the future, you can still use this way to change your name. So I'm not gonna hold you too much. Let's get started right now. Right now, let me show you the first way to change your name. To change your name, you're just gonna go to www.myddiwork.com. When you get here where you say delivery drivers, you're just gonna click in it. You're gonna enter your username and you're gonna enter your password. After that, you're just gonna click login. So when you come here, before I move to the next step, let me be clear. If you're going to change your name on the Spark Driver app, the first thing you need to do, you have to upgrade your license. So that's mean whatever change you make in your name, you have to make it in your license as well. Otherwise, the system will not recognize your old license for your new name they have in file. So when you get here, you're gonna click contact support. Like I told you, this page is not working right now. We can't even do it right now. So you can see say access denied. In case it come back, this is where you're gonna put your new names. You're gonna explain why you want to change it, and you're gonna set it to support. And if they need something else from you, they will contact you. This is the first way you can change your name. The second way to change your name, you're gonna go to your Spark Driver app. When you get to your Spark Driver app, you're gonna see the 2 little bar in the top left corner. You're gonna click in it. After you click in it, from this menu right here, you're gonna click help. After you click help, you're gonna take your right. So what you do, you're gonna click the chat now, and you're gonna have somebody over there waiting for you to explain your issue. This is what you're gonna do. You just explain them you want to change your name, and like I told you, if they need more documents from you, they're gonna wait you out. But most of the time they require you to take a picture of your driver license. Like I tell you, if you're gonna chat with them here, this is what they're gonna require from you, your driver license. Okay, and the last way to change your name, where you say report issue, but you're gonna see a number all the way in the bottom, you're gonna call this number and you're gonna talk to a support team, and you're gonna explain them you just change your name, you want to be changed in your Spark Driver app as well. They're gonna email you to your email address they have in file. They're gonna ask you to send them a couple of documents they're gonna require from you, and after that it's gonna take out on like 3 to 5 days to see your name changed in the app. So this is all I have for you guys. If you have any question about this video, just let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.